Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? My name is Dure Shehwar. Today our subject is math. First of all, we learn table of 2. Today date is 4 April 2020. This is our classwork day Saturday. Today day is Saturday. Our topic is table of 2. 2 multiply 1 equal to 2 ones are 2. 2 multiply 2 equal 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 multiply 3 equal 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 multiply 4 equal 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 multiply 5 equal 10. 2 fives are 10. 2 multiply 6 equal 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 multiply 7 equal 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 multiply 8 equal 16. 2 eights are 16. 2 multiply 9 equal 18. 2 nines are 18. 2 multiply 10 equal 20. 2 tens are 20. We read again with the help of candies. These are 2 candies. These are 2 candies. 2 ones are 2. We add 2 more candies. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We add 2 more candies. 2 threes are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again we add 2 more candies. 2 fours are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again we add 2 more candies. 2 fives are 10. We count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We add 2 more candies. 2 6 are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Again we add 2 more candies. 2 sevens are 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 sevens are 14. We add 2 more candies and count it. 2 eights are 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. We add 2 more candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 nines are 18. Then we again 2 more candies. Our table is finished. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. We count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 tens are 20. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, 2 10 are 20. My dear students, you write it 5 times on your rough binder and with the neat writing, and every word touch the block's bottom line. Every word touch the block's bottom line. And my dear students, you learn it and write it. And Allah Hafiz.